What's in my mailbox today? Let's see what's in these boxes. This one's pretty light. It's food. So this is oatmeal. I got juice. I got oatmeal. I got some Scotch-Brite scrubbers. This is cookies, sugar-free cookies. And I'm so excited, I got my color in today. So yay me. This is the FV foundation. So there's that. Next box. Let's see. So this box I have, let's see, that's medicine. I got this new scent in white sage and mahogany. So that's got a woody smell. And so that's gonna be good to try. It comes with two fragrance packs and one of the devices, I guess you call it device. So they said this one was just made for these, and I've been wanting to try them, so we'll see. I can smell them from here. It smells really nice, almost like cologne. So I got this Dr. Teal's hemp seed oil soap. It's a bath soap. It says it's got essential oils in it as well. White thyme and bergamot. So that should smell good as well. And then I got some juice. This is cranberry cherry. And I like the flavors of both of them. So I'm going to try that one. And last but not least, I got curry. So this is Japanese curry mix. This was like $3, so can't go wrong with it. And I just wanted to try it out, see if it was good, and maybe I'll try different flavors. So it looks easy to make. Just add some vegetables and meat and it's done. So yeah, I like my haul. I hope you guys join me again soon on my Son de Framp. Bye bye.